Hey everybody, coming at you here Friday, March 26th, 2021. And what that means is that at the end of the month, the New Hampshire Association of Realtors puts out their numbers for year over year. So we have our February 2021 numbers to compare them to February of 2020, prior to being in this pandemic. And the results may be shocking or not if you've been paying attention to what's going on with real estate, basically nationally. Let's just go ahead and take a look at it. And statewide, numbers look really good. Median sales price is up 23.5%. So if you purchased a property last February and needed to sell it this February, you were up 23.5%. So the median sales price was $357,400. The total sales volume were up 31.9% to 342 million, and closed sales were up 10.2% to 855. Average days on market were down 47.5%. So average days on market were only 42 days. Pending sales were down 7.2%. So meaning going in from February to March, there were less sales pending. So there was 1,070 sales pending for the state as a whole. So then we're gonna look at Merrimack County. So in Merrimack County, the median sales price was up 22.1% to 326,500. And then the sales volume was up 11.8% to 35 million. Closed sales were 94, down 2.1%. And the average days on market were actually down 52.8% to 34 days. And then the pending sales were down 4.9% to 117 going from February into March. And then we'll take a look at Hillsborough County. So Hillsborough County was up a little bit higher than the state's average. So the median sales price in Hillsborough County was up to $399,500, up 23.9% over February of 2020, which is just absolutely mind-blowing. Sales volume was up 30.4% to 84 million. Closed sales were up 5.3% to an even 200. The average days on market were down 48.3% to 31 days. And then the pending sales were down 19.6% to 238. So the real estate market here in New Hampshire is really good. If you're thinking of selling, now is a great time. If you're thinking about buying, it's still a great time because interest rates are still relatively low. This week, Realtor.com came out with a top 20 real estate markets in the country, and only 12 states were represented. So what does that mean? It means that obviously some states were represented more than once, and New Hampshire was in fact represented more than once, and they even considered Manchester and Nashua one city. So we really were represented almost 3 times in that list. So the New Hampshire real estate market is really good. If you're thinking of selling or buying, definitely don't hesitate to reach out to us, and look forward to coming at you again next week.